how to apply a promo code or discount on HelloFresh. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you got a promo code or discount for HelloFresh, well here is how to apply it using the mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, you can just tap the cart icon or the checkout button, and after that you simply have to look for a promo code or discount code field, and once you have found that you simply have to tap to enter your code. And there you simply have to enter the code, and after that you can simply hit apply and wait for the discount to update your total. And after that you simply have to finish your payment and confirm your order. And that's it. That's how you can apply your HelloFresh promo code. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.